Yun po yung gagawin ko mamaya. Okay. Hi guys, good evening. So we're gonna try this 1, 2, 3 charcoal. So first we're gonna use this this one. Okay. Then the second is this one, and the third is this one. So we're gonna first do this one because it's number 1, of course. Okay. Okay. So first, smell good. It's only €1 for 3 of this in Holland. But I'm gonna try this now. So this one. So it's a charcoal blackhead melting toner. So we're gonna use. So it's my sister first time doing it. So okay. Then the second one is for charcoal blackheads clear nose mask. So we're gonna try this one. So this is gonna be the first mask of my sister. I don't know what she gonna feel, but when I try it, I know it's a bit, guys. Okay. So we're gonna use this one. So I'm gonna put in here. So we're just gonna use our hands for this. No, I mean finger. Okay, so that's it. So because we're tipid, so I'm gonna put only this one. Okay, it's so small for the 2 of us. Just to show you guys. Okay. Just do like this. We're just gonna use our finger. See? This one in the nose. See? It's kind of funny. So it says charcoal blackhead clear nose mask. It's remove blackheads, exfoliates your skin. Blackhead clear nose mask. Stop it! Why are you laughing? Okay, that's it. We can also put in our page, just like this. Okay. Madam, lagi sa kanya butang ba? Oh, I don't know what I done, but I did like this. I just gonna make it put a lot, so it will be nice. Don't put it inside of your nose, just outside. Okay. What now? See, we're so cute now. So look at my sister. This is her first time. It's my second time, but I really don't know how to use it perfectly. So just sorry about this, guys. Okay. So it says Um, it's only take for 20 minutes. So we'll be back in 20 minutes when it's dry. Okay, guys. I will show you. I will update you later again if it's dry. Hi guys. So we don't want to waste a lot of this. So we we did like this. So because I don't want to waste. It's so far. We went to Holland to buy just this one for €1, the 3 of them. So I don't want to waste any of this. So where is it? Okay, it's one and this one. So that's it, guys. We will show you later when it's dry. So we're gonna pick it up. So help us, guys. I don't know where you're gonna start. Okay. Oh. I don't know how do you do it. It hurt. It's my 2 times, but it hurt. It hurt. So you can hear the voice. Oh. Sabi niya guys, madadala na yung mata niya. So, you're just gonna do it. Oh God, hurt. You still wanted to do your first. So that's gonna happen. Yes. So I'm just gonna finish mine now. Oh God, that hurt. She's crying. Wawang bata naman. Oh. Oh, that hurt. Oh God, that feels good. So this one is, where's the camera? See, like that. Look. That one. Okay. We still have a little bit. So I'm just gonna do like that. Okay. So now guys, as you can see, it feels good, but it's still a bit hurt. How about your sister? She's still crying though. So now, next, we're gonna try this charcoal moisturizing essence. I don't know how to say it right. I'm not good in English though. I'm just trying my best. Sorry guys. Bisaya kasi guys. Pasensya na po kayo sa English namin. Hindi po kasi kami graduate. Siya, ano po siya eh. Nag-aaral pa. Ako, may asawa na. So, ito na po yung next namin. The 3. Okay, just gonna do how to do it. Just like this. I don't know. Okay. Like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Smell good, guys. Oh. Oh, that okay. Oh, nice.
Bakit good siya?
It's rising. Ooh. Oh, that's good. Do you think, guys, we're cute now? Just because of the tree charcoal? Okay, that's it, guys. So, thank you for watching. Pasensya na po kayo sa English namin. Nagkakabaliktad-baliktad na po. Just having fun here. So, thank you. If you like, subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you.